In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable traffic on Google Maps. If you want to check road conditions before heading out, turning on the traffic layer in Google Maps is a quick and useful feature. It helps you see whether roads are moving smoothly or if there are delays, so you can make better decisions about your route. The good news is that this only takes a few seconds, whether you're using an Android phone, an iPhone, or a desktop computer. Let's start on mobile. Open the Google Maps app on your phone. Once the map is visible, look toward the right side of the screen for the layers icon. This usually looks like a small button with stacked squares. Tap that icon to open the Map Options menu. In that menu, you'll see a section labeled Map Type. Under that section, tap Traffic. As soon as you select it, Google Maps will enable the live traffic overlay on your map. After that, simply close the menu to return to the full map view. Now you'll be able to read traffic conditions directly from the colored roads on the map. Green roads mean traffic is moving smoothly. Yellow or orange roads indicate moderate traffic, which usually means some slowing but not a complete backup. Red roads show heavy traffic, so those are the areas where delays are most likely. This color coding makes it easy to understand conditions at a glance, especially if you're planning a trip or checking congestion in your area. If you're using Google Maps on a desktop browser, the process is just as simple. Open Google Maps in your web browser and look to the bottom left corner of the map. There, you'll find the Layers button. Click it and then select Traffic. Once you do that, the traffic layer will appear on the map right away. You can then zoom in or out to view live traffic conditions in specific neighborhoods, along highways, or across a larger region. This is especially helpful if you want a broader view before driving or if you're comparing multiple routes. And that's all there is to it. Once the traffic layer is turned on, live traffic data will appear on your map, making it much easier to spot delays and plan ahead. If you found this helpful, you can keep the traffic layer in mind anytime you need a quick view of current road conditions in Google Maps.